JAVS Scheduler 7 is a session scheduling program used in conjunction with JAVS Autolog 7. Scheduler 7 will allow you to schedule, reschedule, and change session properties of any session schedule. There are several ways to initiate creating a schedule. The easiest way is to simply select the New icon and select a session type for your schedule. The new session window will open. The selected session type will have a predetermined set of group fields. In the Name field, type in the name of your scheduled session. This is the session ID that the database uses to locate the session. In the Title field, you can type in the title of the session. We have already selected our session type, but it could be changed using the Session Type pull-down. If department filtering is desired, select a department from the Department pull-down. Otherwise, leave it blank. If you have set your department in your user preferences, you can press the red X to set it to none. If your party defaults are set up in user preferences, you can use the Load Defaults button, and the appropriate group fields will be filled in. You can type the party's names directly into the field. If more than one party is added to the field, you must use a semicolon to separate each name. If you want to select names from the database, press the search icon at the right of each field. The Available Parties window will open with a list of parties belonging to that group. Select a party to add to the group field and press the Insert button, or just simply double-click on the name. The name will be pushed from the list and added to the selected group field. Checking the Search All Parties checkbox and pressing the Search button will return all names in the database. Remember, if you add a party from another group, that party will now belong to both groups. When finished with the Available Parties window, press the Close button. Continue this process until all fields are complete. If a name already exists in the database and you start to type the name, an autofill box will appear to allow you to select that name. When finished, press the Add to Schedule button. The new schedule window will open. If more than one location exists, you can select that location by using the Location pull-down. Use the Date calendar to select a start and end date. Use the time selectors to set the time of day you want to schedule for. If you want the schedule to start or stop the recorder automatically, you can set when the auto schedule will fire using the Auto Schedule pull-down. Choose from the list how you want your auto schedule to work. Press the Add to Schedule button and the new schedule will appear in the calendar. Since this is an auto schedule, a time icon will appear on the schedule. The side calendar date will become bold, indicating a schedule or schedules on that day. Another way to create a schedule is to select any view, with the exception of the single day by order, and double-click the schedule area. In the month view, you can double-click any day in the calendar and the new session window will open with a blank session. After setting the properties for the schedule and pressing the Add to Schedule button, you can see that the date you selected is present and the default time is 8 a.m. In the Week and Work Week views, you can not only choose the day of the week, but also the time of day. We'll double-click on this day at 10 a.m. The new session window opens. Press the Add to Schedule button. Now you can see that our selected date and time of day will be set for the schedule. In the Single Day by Time view, you must select your day from the side calendar and then double-click the time of day. Add to Schedule, and the selected day and time of day is set for your schedule. View parts 3 and 4 of the Scheduler 7 video tutorial for a continuation of this demonstration.